Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve Excel file not opening in Windows 11 or 10. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Excel file not opening issue using 7 fixes. Solution 1. Rename the Excel file. The very first solution you can try is renaming your Excel file. To do so, go to the location where your faulty Excel file is saved. Then, right-click on the file and rename it. Solution 2. Change the default file format. Trying to open the file with a different or incorrect extension may cause Excel file not opening problem. To fix the error, try changing the Excel default file format. To do this, open Excel, click on the File menu. On the left panel, click on Options. In Excel Options window, under Save Workbook section, click on the Save Files in this file format drop-down. Select a supported file format. Click OK. Check if you can open your Excel file. If not, try the next workaround. Solution 3. Open Microsoft Excel in safe mode. The next solution you can try is to open Excel in safe mode. This step will be helpful if the problem is being caused due to one of the installed plugins. To do so, open the Run dialog box using Win+R keys. Type Excel/safe and press Enter. Microsoft Excel will now open in safe mode. Solution 4. Use Open and Repair tool. The Open and Repair is a built-in MS Excel utility that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve not opening file problem. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the File. Then Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is not opening. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. Then Repair. Solution 5. Update the Excel app to the latest version. Updating the Excel application to the latest version can even help you to fix this Excel file won't open. Open the Microsoft Excel. Click the File tab. Click the Account option. Click Update Options. And click Update Now to check for updates for the Office app and update it to the latest version. Solution 6. Repair Microsoft Office. A corrupted or damaged Microsoft Office can also lead to the Excel not responding or opening issue. You can fix this by repairing the Microsoft Office files. For this, you have to close all running MS Office programs. Then, open the Control panel. Click Programs. Then Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office. Right-click it and click Change. Select between Quick Repair and Online Repair. Then, click Repair. This repair process may take some time. Once done, check your Excel program and files for the issue. Solution 7. Use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Excel cannot open file, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Excel file not opening in Windows 11 or 10. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.